In this video, we'll explore various passive income ideas and strategies to help you make money while you sleep. But before we dive into these income streams, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting that notification bell so you won't miss any of our valuable content. Let's get started. Define passive income. To begin, let's clarify what passive income truly means and why it's so appealing. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort or active involvement. It allows you to generate revenue consistently, even when you're not actively working. Segment 1: Real Estate Investing. Real estate investing is often considered one of the most reliable and time-tested methods of generating passive income. Whether you're investing in rental properties or participating in real estate crowdfunding platforms, it can provide a steady stream of income. Rental properties offer the advantage of monthly rental payments, which cover property expenses and generate additional income. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to invest in real estate projects with a smaller initial capital investment. Both methods require some upfront effort and research, but once established, they can offer relatively hands-off income. To succeed in real estate investing, you need to understand market trends, property management, and have a long-term perspective. It's not just about purchasing a property and waiting for the rent to roll in. There's ongoing maintenance, tenant management, and financial planning involved. However, many investors find it rewarding as it offers both rental income and the potential for property appreciation over time. Segment 2: Dividend Stocks. Dividend stocks are another excellent way to create a passive income stream. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you become a shareholder in a company that shares a portion of its profits with its investors. This income is typically paid out quarterly or annually. To get started, research and select dividend-paying companies from different industries to diversify your portfolio. Keep in mind that while dividends can provide a consistent income stream, stock investments are subject to market fluctuations, so it's essential to maintain a long-term perspective. Over time, this can significantly boost your investment portfolio and passive income. It's a strategy favored by many legendary investors like Warren Buffett. Segment 3: Online Business and Blogging. Venturing into the digital realm, starting an online business or blogging can be a highly rewarding way to generate passive income. The key is to create valuable content that attracts an audience. Once you have a substantial following, you can monetize your platform through various channels. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale generated through your unique affiliate link. Sponsored posts allow you to collaborate with brands and receive compensation for promoting their products or services. Additionally, you can create and sell digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or templates, to your audience. Building an online presence takes time, but the potential for passive income is substantial once you've established your platform. Blogging, in particular, offers the opportunity to build authority in your niche and create a community of loyal followers. Successful bloggers often diversify their income streams by incorporating ads, affiliate marketing, and selling their products. While it may take some time to gain traction, blogging can provide a scalable source of passive income with the potential for substantial earnings. Segment 4: Investing in dividend ETFs. For a more hands-off approach to dividend investing, consider dividend exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These are investment funds that hold a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying stocks. By investing in ETFs, you can spread your risk across multiple companies and industries, reducing the impact of individual stock fluctuations. ETFs are traded on stock exchanges, making them accessible and providing liquidity. They offer a straightforward way to invest in dividend income without the need to select and manage individual stocks. Dividend ETFs provide diversification benefits, reducing the risk associated with individual stock picks. They are also an excellent option for those who prefer a set and forget investment strategy. Many investors appreciate the convenience and flexibility of ETFs, making them a popular choice for building passive income through stock investments. Segment 5, Royalties and Licensing for Creative Individuals. Royalties and licensing can be a lucrative source of passive income. When it comes to licensing, understanding intellectual property rights and licensing agreements is crucial. You want to ensure that your creative work is protected, and you receive fair compensation for its use. Many creators also find it beneficial to work with licensing agencies or platforms that can help connect them with potential buyers and ensure proper licensing terms are in place. Segment 6, Peer-to-Peer Lending. Peer-to-peer lending is an alternative investment option that allows you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers with lenders, providing an opportunity for you to earn interest income. It's essential to diversify your loans across multiple borrowers to mitigate the risk of defaults. While peer-to-peer lending can offer attractive returns, it's important to be aware that it carries some level of risk, and it's crucial to research platforms and borrowers carefully before participating. The beauty of peer-to-peer lending is that it allows you to act as a financial intermediary, providing loans to those in need while earning a passive income from the interest. It's an investment option that can be tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals, making it a flexible addition to your passive income portfolio. Conclusion. To sum it up, passive income is a powerful financial strategy that can provide you with financial security and the freedom to pursue your dreams. Whether it's through real estate, dividend stocks, online business, ETFs, royalties, peer-to-peer lending, or online courses, there are various passive income streams to explore. Remember that building passive income takes time and effort upfront, but the long-term benefits are well worth it. Which of these passive income ideas resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Your feedback helps us create content that's tailored to your needs. Thanks for being part of your channel name, community, and we'll catch you in the next video.